everyone, this is your interviewer Farah and I'm here at the Education 2.0 Conference Dubai and I have with me Avni. Welcome. Could you please introduce yourself and your organization?
Thank you for giving me this opportunity, Ms. Farah. And yes, hello everyone. My name is Avni Gandhi. I am an explorer by passion and an educator by profession. From a very young age, I have been drawn to the thrill of discovery, whether it's navigating uncharted landscapes or diving deep into the world of science, history, and culture. I have always been passionate about exploring, and because of this passion, I have this drive to seek new experiences, challenges, and perspectives, which in turn has fueled my work as an educator. In classroom, the channel, like just to channel my curiosity and the lessons learned from my adventures, I inspire my students and make sure that they are ready to become the future leaders. I believe exploration is the key, whether it's exploring for the world of sciences or even the ideas within you or the world around us, which is good for growth and development.
Now, dealing with students or youngsters in general can be a little bit challenging sometimes. How do you manage to navigate that?
So, as I say that I am passionate towards my profession, like as a teacher, I feel that connection is very important. Connecting
Absolutely.
to students is very important. So I am into inclusive learning. So I feel that the need of the student has to be understood and the challenges are overcome, or you can just say that you can convert or transform those challenges into an opportunity when you understand the need of those students. So as you understand the need and where it comes from, like I've been teaching in Title I schools in United States, and the majority of the students over there come from a low socioeconomic background, and they have a lot of hardships which they see in their lives. Due to which they are not able to focus, and they create, that creates a lot of barrier to their learning. So initially when I started, unfortunately, since the connection wasn't, there, I was thinking, why are the students not interested to learn, and why is it so challenging, and it's become so difficult. My profession has, shown me different things. But as I went into inclusive and explored the area of inclusive education, I learned that it's not them, it's what is within them. So, just to know what they are, where is that thing coming from? If it is a challenge, where is that thing coming from is very important. And when you just understand what the child needs, and if they have any problem which is affecting them to learn, and you connect to those needs, it becomes easy, and that gives you an opportunity, and that also allows the students to get involved in the learning.
And so, based on everything that you've just said, what's a piece of advice that you want to share with educators out there?
For the educators, I would like to say that before you think about teaching, think about the connection. You can first try to engage with the students, know the students as irrespective of what their age is. Just know that they are human beings and they bring their unique qualities. Yes, and there are definitely some things for which you are an educator, which you have to mold. So please connect, engage with them, know them as human personalities before you become a teacher of a student. That's what I would like to say. And as parents, my advice to all the parents would be more active parents than just giving a guest appearance in your kid's life.
Absolutely, that's very important.
Yes.
Now, tell me a bit about your experience at the conference. How has the panel been going? How is the networking going? Give me a general feedback.
Yes, thank you for asking me this question. It is my first time coming to Dubai, And as I said that I love to explore, believe me when I say this, that this Education 2.0 conference has done so much, has left so much of an impact over me, that I would really like to move sometime, but I would really like to move back from United States and work in Dubai, because the culture, the people I met, the experiences I gained in just past 3 days have been immensely meaningful, and all the work I do, I could get more, just a keen perspective about what people think around the world. And yes, this conference has helped me to gain that.
We're thrilled to know you're having a good time. Thank you so much for this feedback. Now, if anyone would like to get in touch with you, where can they find you?
Professionally, it would be great that I can get connected through my LinkedIn. But personally, I have an Insta page and a Facebook profile as well. So yeah, the connection can be done there.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Vinny. It's been a pleasure, and congratulations.
Thank you so much once again, Ms. Farah. It was nice and nice talking to you.
Definitely. Thank you so much.